first I will change the square root to power form, so we will have y is equal sine, and I will change this parenthesis to the brackets, so it will be in brackets tangent of, and we will have cosine of x to power 1/2 in brackets. To find derivative of this function, we have to treat this function like composite function. So first we will have to find the derivative of function which is outside. First we have sine. So derivative of sine, we know that is cosine. So we have cosine, and we just copy everything what we have in this bracket. So will be tangent of cosine of x to power 1/2. Now we have to find the derivative of function which is inside these brackets. Derivative of tangent is equal secant square. So we have secant square, and we have to copy this whole expression in parentheses. So we have cosine of x to power 1/2. And now again we have to find the derivative of function which is inside. We have here the power. So first we have to take down this 1/2, so it will be times 1/2, and in parentheses we will have cosine of x to power 1/2 minus 1. We can change this to brackets because we have too many parentheses, times the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this is equal. Now we can change the power 1/2 to square root. So we have cosine of tangent of square root of cosine of x times we have secant square of square root of cosine of x times we have 1/2. So this 1/2 I will take before this whole expression, and here we have cosine of x to power 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 times negative sine of x. We have positive times negative, so will be negative 1/2, and we have negative power here, so it means this whole expression we will take down to denominator, and because the power is 1/2, so it will be square root of cosine of x, and the rest we have to just copy, so will be cosine of tangent of square root of cosine of x times secant square of square root of cosine of x. This expression we take down to denominator, and negative sign we have at the beginning, so we have times just sine of x. This is my solution.